Friends, I'm not sure if you can hear me well, but today I'm gonna take you with me to shop at Aldi because it's gonna be, I think there will be a snowstorm coming, and yeah, we just need to stack up on essential things, you know what I mean. I'll see you later. I'm not sure if you can see this clearly, but yeah, those things. It's the bird. It's the bird. I'm not sure if you have heard about the government shutdown. So just curious here. Are you worried about it? Are you worried about what's gonna happen? I haven't been here for a long time, but it's kind of disturbing what's going on right now. What do you think? Queenie's going to Walmart. Mimi, hi. Yeah, hi. Are you enjoying? Yes. Okay. All right, we're here. What's this? The packet. We don't really need that. Get grab. This is what I got for $100 grocery. We got sweet corn, beef ravioli. We got potatoes. I don't know if you can see this, and then mixed veggies. We got eggs, a loaf of bread, spaghetti. Spaghetti, pasta, rice. I got boxes of cereal, milk for Mimi, and then her snack. She loves those, and then crackers. Yeah, crackers and some